My name's Darren Edens, and you're listening to the Swoon Sessions. If you'd like to hear more, you should like, comment, and subscribe. This is my song called This Dang Stone. We have been lovers, we sang so long ago. We fell in love before we had any real love to show. You fell in love with a little boy. Played his little show. I was out playing by name upon the stein. Bruce closer to you than I could ever be. Real love for my very own box of time. Gonna find myself closer, gonna start digging my home. But I'm talking to the stone. This dang stone is all I've got. In the morning love, this dang stone, this dang stone. Right by the side of the door of the soul. I hate to say I'd ever gonna let you go. Real love for my very own box of pine. Gonna find myself closer, gonna start digging my home. You had skin like marble, you wasn't so cold then. Just like a partner in a loving friend. Together our eyes will see, our hair turns silver gray. I'll hold your hands up in the sky one day. Talk to stone. This dang stone is all I've got. In the morning love, this dang stone, this dang stone. I'll come and visit every single day. I'll brush the leaves and all the goddamn weeds away. On the moist grass, that is where I lay my forever home. But now I left here talking to nothing but a stone. This dang stone. This dang stone is all I've known. In the morning love, this dang stone, this dang